Take a voyage with me as we unlock the secrets of rubber plant care, a journey of green thumb mastery. From the different varieties, the most known is the Ficus elastica, also known as the rubber tree, is a popular choice with broad, shiny leaves. First things first, like most varieties, they love bright, indirect light. Too much sun can damage their appealing foliage. That's not what we want. Watering techniques are crucial too. Only water when the top inch of soil is dry. Overwatering is a common issue with these plants. Remember, that's a big no-go. As for soil preferences, well-drained soil will keep your rubber plant happy and thriving. Temperature-wise, 60 to 75 degrees is the ideal range. They love high humidity, just like their natural tropical habitat. Now let's talk about fertilizing. During spring and summer, feed them once a month with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer. Pruning? Do it in early spring to control growth. And don't forget, a happy rubber plant is a clean one. Dust off those leaves regularly to keep them looking lush and vibrant. Remember, each rubber plant is unique, and it's wonderful to learn from each other's experiences. Got any green thumb secrets of your own, or any questions about Ficus elastica? Dive in and share your wisdom or ask away. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting plant care content.